Alright, we got an Arctic Cat little quad here with a snow blade that ran into a stump and poked a hole right in the tire. And we're going to take a look at fixing it with this little do-it-yourself kit. We're going to see how that works and let you know what happens. How much is that little kit?
$6.
$6.
$6. I'm gonna clean out the hole. Obviously, a big puncture right there. Probably good enough. Just rough it up a little bit. All right.
Off of there and coat that with
A generous amount.
over it. Nice and gooey. And on the back side too. On the other side.
I think I went too much.
Alright, she's done. Look at that, it's holding air. Beauty. Now we can get back to pushing snow. Alright, the tire's still holding air, and the plugs seem to work pretty good. Just make sure you put lots of glue on there and fill them up with air right away. So if you like this video, like and subscribe. There's more to come. Have a good day.